Let's get this thing rolling here for set 3. We're going to open up with a song about one of my favorite things, whiskey. Take care, Karen. Thank you. We're done with the board. In the back. The bottom brought me back, been too far gone. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm stone on your love all the time. I look for love in all the same old places. You're as warm as a glass of brandy on the icy stone on your love all the time. Strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy on the icy stone on your love all the time. Yeah, you're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. Tennessee whiskey. Tennessee whiskey. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. Tennessee whiskey. Oh, Tennessee whiskey, yeah, yeah. Oh, thank you so much.
Let's hear it.
Oh, see what you did there.
This song's called Sure.
This is another song. Earlier we played a tune that was covered by this band. Now this is an actual song by this band.
This is another one from our list of songs that Casey gave me that I had never heard of in my life.
Young the what?
Young to who? Who's a giant. Andre? Yeah, I was going giant. I knew it was Andre.
I'm sorry for cutting you off in your solo. You sounded great.
That's all good. No, the one thing about bringing a string on the guitar, it makes this part of my music.
This next song's got a tricky opening. Hopefully I don't screw it up.